Looking for the ultimate Telegram experience? In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to subscribe to a Telegram Premium account and walk you through all the fantastic features you get as a premium member. By the end, you'll know how to unlock exclusive perks like larger file uploads, faster downloads, advanced chat controls, and a bunch of cool customizations that really set your account apart. Let's jump right in. First things first, you'll want to make sure your Telegram app is fully updated. This might sound basic, but it's a critical step. Many premium features just won't appear or work unless you're running the latest version. So take a moment to head to your device's App Store or Play Store, search for Telegram, and tap Update if you see the option. Giving your app a refresh makes sure you have all the newest tools and fixes. Don't worry if it takes a couple of minutes, this step is definitely worth it. Next up, open your Telegram app and tap on the Settings icon. On most mobile devices, you'll find this at the lower right corner of your screen. Think of Settings as your hub for all things personal, privacy, notifications, and now premium upgrades. Scroll down until you spot Telegram Premium. It should stand out with its sparkly badge icon, and it's your gateway to a whole new level of Telegram. Now simply tap on Telegram Premium to see your subscription options. Telegram has made payments super flexible. You can use the App Store, Google Play, or if you're on Android or desktop, you can actually save a bit by subscribing through their official Premium bot. This little trick can sometimes give you a better rate, which is a nice touch if you want to keep costs down. Just follow the on-screen instructions, confirm your payment method, and you'll be upgraded in seconds. If you've ever subscribed to services like Netflix or Spotify, it's a very similar process, easy, secure, and instantly activated. Once you're in, the real magic begins with all the extra features you've unlocked. One of the immediate benefits is the doubled limits across the board. Imagine being able to pin up to 10 chats for quick access, create up to 20 chat folders for extreme organization, join a massive 1,000 groups and channels, and post up to 100 stories every single day. It's like going from a bicycle to a supercharged sports car in terms of capacity. Another major perk is file uploads. If you've ever had to compress your videos or split up large files just to send them, you'll love this. Telegram Premium lets you upload files up to 4 GB compared to the standard 2 GB limit. And those uploads and downloads are at top speed, so you won't be left waiting around. If you get a lot of voice or video messages, you'll appreciate voice-to-text transcription. Tap a button in Telegram will convert audio messages into text, perfect for when you can't listen out loud or just want to scan a conversation quickly. Super handy, right? Premium also removes those occasional sponsored messages you might see in public channels, giving you a cleaner, uninterrupted chat experience. Chat management tools are even more powerful now. You can set new chats to auto-archive, automatically organize folders, and overall keep your conversation space neat, like having a personal assistant for your inbox. Of course, there's fun stuff too. Unlock unique profile enhancements such as a special badge that shows you're a premium supporter, animated profile photos, custom app icons, and exclusive stickers and larger emoji reactions that really let you stand out in any chat. And if you like browsing stories but prefer to remain low-key, you can view stories anonymously without appearing on the viewer list. Plus, you get real-time chat translation, which is perfect if you're part of international groups. That's everything you need to know to get started with Telegram Premium. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and if you have any questions or you want to share your favorite feature, drop a comment below. I love hearing from you all. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips and deep dives on your favorite apps. Thanks for watching and enjoy your new premium perks.